Hi, it's me, Nancy, today. Well, it's been a kind of a tired day. Got up at 4 to do my kiln. It's bisque firing again. And I stayed up. So after that, I went to a store and then I came back and it was starting to snow. And then I went back to bed around noon. And here it is, 3:45. So I got some sleep. You want to see it snowing? Every window, it's snowing outside of every window. That's what I have that table there so I can watch. I have suet on there for the birds, and or not suet, sunflower seeds, and this is suet, the woodpeckers. It's not snowing over there. That's Willem. He's my sweetheart. So we got about it looks like it's more than an inch now. I wonder how much that is out there. 2 inches, we Isn't this a great room? I love this house. With its 5 windows across the side. And it's got 2 more windows in the sunroom there. The whole room is windows. You can see everything. I love it when the snow is on the trees. I got those landscape pins today so I can pin the cloth down. They're this thick though, this long though. I hope they really go in far enough. I have to see how it works. I have to make sure the ground is dry enough or melted enough to do it too. Hope the fabric's in place. That's important. I'm glad I already measured my warp. I'm still sitting here. I don't know if it's interesting for you or not, but I like watching it snow. When it's little tiny bits, they're drier. They're colder, they last longer, and they accumulate faster. The big flakes are warmer they're melted a bit and they're holding together. The first snowfall is always big flakes. And I guess the ground is saturated, which is very good for the roots of all the plants. As long as the roots are saturated, it's okay if it goes ahead and freezes solid. I don't know why that is, but that's what they say. Well, it's been raining hard for a while. Everything is full. The pond is going to look awesome. Gotta go down and sit in the teepee and look at the pond. But this snow is very slippery. My Crocs, or imitation Crocs, are really good on snow. They really have awesome traction. I believe it's getting dark out while I talk. Hello. Bye. I'm pretty sick, so I can't talk very loud. See you tomorrow, or whenever.